Hello and welcome to ABP Live. I am Ajay and with me we have Mayor of Delhi, Ms. Shelly Oberoi. Thank you, ma'am, for agreeing to talk to us. How were you feeling when you were, told that okay, you will be fighting for this post in the day aftermath of so much chaos inside the MCD? You finally achieved this feat. What was your feeling? What was your idea? What were you thinking actually?
First of all, I would like to thank Honorable CM who has given me this opportunity, and not only for the first term which was reserved for women, but the second term also, which is the general seat this time. And really I had no idea that one day the CM sir will call me and will give me this such big responsibility. And it's such big responsibility that even our party, our leaders and the Delhi people have a lot of expectations from me, and I'm trying to fulfill all those expectations. And we have given a lot of, हमने वो भी दिया है उनको, बहुत सारा अपने 10 guarantees दिया है, and one by one we are trying to fulfill all those guarantees. And although everybody knows that till now we don't have the standing committee, till now we don't have the ward committee, and still we are trying hard all those guarantees which we can fulfill without the presence of committees. We are working on them. And despite of all the chaos which happened in the house, and it was 4 times the elections were held at that time, and it was only the Bharatiya Janata Party who was creating chaos. They wanted to run house in the unconstitutional way, and ultimately truth always win. And we had to approach Supreme Court. And in that case, we are also thankful to the judiciary system, who, irrespective of the political parties, who gave the verdict without any biasness. So we are really thankful to the judiciary system, and as well as I'm really thankful to the Honorable CM for the same.
So starting from the elections, so are you satisfied with what number of wards that Aam Aadmi Party managed to win, or do you think there could have been a better performance?
See, last year when Bharatiya Janata Party got to know that they are losing the MCD elections, because they did not do anything in the past 15 years, and they were very much aware that they are not going to win, and the Aam Aadmi Party will get the mandate from the Delhi people. So deliberately they did that delimitation. Deliberately they reduced the number of wards from 272 to 250, and deliberately the elections were postponed. And later on, when Aam Aadmi Party got the mandate of Delhi people, Bharatiya Janata Party again lost. And today you can see that Delhi people is very much happy with the Delhi government performance. They are liking not only the Delhi people, the Indians, but the worldwide, the work of Aam Aadmi Party has been appreciated. Everyone has appreciated the education model. Everyone has appreciated the health model. So similar model we are bringing in the MCD now, and we are working on the good education system. MCD provides the primary education, that is from 1st to 5th. And also we are working on the very good sanitation model. And as far as landfills are concerned, 24/7 the biomining work is going on. And also we have the waste to energy plants, we have the CNG plants, and from the waste we are converting the waste into different products like bricks and the tiles. And also we are planning to use the use of technology, the artificial intelligence in the coming days. And we are bringing the mechanized sweeping machine concept also in the, not only in the ultimately I think in the NDMC area we already have the mechanized cleaning machines, but the other areas which is belonging to the MCD, which comes under the jurisdiction of the MCD, we are bringing the technology as well as the mechanical machines.
As far as MCD's work is concerned, the primary thing that Delhi battles is kuda, the garbage. And for a matter of fact, like East Delhi, the Lakshmi Nagar area, the new Ashok Nagar area, the Nalawala areas and all, they are so much wet in terms because of the Nala and all. There is so much humidity and moisture in your houses. So you can see walls getting wet, in the rainy season. बहुत numb हो जाता है. It smells also. And there are a lot of drain in the entire East Delhi area, which is not, they are not even maintained for the basic purpose of the drainage system. So is there any plan to rehaul the drain system?
See, it's not only about Delhi who has a challenge of a lot of garbage. And everybody, everywhere now, the garbage is a big challenge. And definitely we are working on those challenges. And let me tell you, our main concern is we need to work on the fresh garbage so that it does not go to the landfills and become the legacy waste. And we are working on the zero waste colonies concept. And few months back, especially in the Shadra area, we facilitated almost 100 colonies who adopted the concept of the zero waste colonies, in which the garbage is being disposed of at source. So we have the concept of installation of the aerobins. So where that wet garbage would be converted into the fertilizer. So definitely the East Delhi is a lot of challenge, and recently Delhi faced a lot of challenge of flood kind of situation, because it's a monsoon season, and it's a record of 40 years. The record was broken, and for continuous 12 hours, it was raining in Delhi very hard. It was torrential rain. And definitely the MCD is trying its best, and it is the MCD who has worked 24/7. And we are very thankful to the Delhi government also, who installed the relief camp for all those people who were evacuated from such places. And MCD provided the facility of toilets. MCD provided the facility of the spray of the medicines which are related to the dengue and malaria, because whenever there is monsoon season, and there is always the vector-borne diseases, they come into existence and they become very active. So all those challenges we are working on, and definitely it's not the matter of one day, it's not a matter of only few months. It's been 15 years. The Bharatiya Janata Party has done nothing in MCD, and MCD has always gone through the financial crunches also. So now Aam Aadmi Party is in Delhi government, and Aam Aadmi Party is in MCD. So together in coordination, we are trying to work. We are trying to create a very good model for the MCD, so that model would be appreciated not in India but abroad also.
So with Yamuna crisis now at hand, because it was unannounced, unprecedented, that everybody agrees upon. So is there any big change that you see in planning under the MCD ship, under the ABP MCD, now that you have seen the Yamuna? This might happen in next year also, and maybe the further years also. So is there anything which needs now, which has changed your plans, which you were thinking, okay, this we can do, but now no, we have to do it on a larger scale. We have to revamp something else. We have to think of something big.
See, especially I think what we have learned from what happened in the last month due to the heavy rainfall, and the Yamuna was almost above the danger level, and every low-lying area the water came on the main roads in the city area. So we need to work on the town planning. We need to work on the low-lying areas where the jogis are there, and where those people are living there. So I think we need to do a proper town planning. We need to work on those areas, that such areas can be converted into green areas, maybe converted into, we can go for afforestation, so that such kind of situation may not happen in the future.
Now comes the danger of dengue, which has always been Delhi's one of the primary concern. So this time it came before because of the Yamuna flood, and also how was the preparation, because now is coming the season of the dengue and the vector-borne diseases basically. So how is the MCD planning to cover that? See,
a few days back, Honorable CM took a joint meeting of Delhi Government Health Department and the Public Health Department of the MCD, in which every officer were there, even the commissioner was there, even the chief secretary was there, and Honorable CM has given the clear-cut instructions to both the departments that we really need to prepare that because of the monsoon, because of the flood situation, there are chances that the dengue malaria cases may be more than in comparison to the last year. So we have given directions to them, so that the malaria inspector, the assistant malaria inspector, the DBC workers, as well as every officer, they should work on fields along with the councillors and the MLAs. The DBC workers, they should go to every household, and they should check the inside that there is no mosquito breeding, and if any mosquito breeding is being found, and the challans and the notices should be given. And awareness, that public awareness is very much important, the community participation is very much important, so that such cases can be reduced in the coming days.
So owing to the Yamuna flood, there have been several relief camps set under the bridge also. So how much time do you think will it take to rehabilitate those people also? Because nowadays also we saw rain lashing parts of Delhi NCR. So in that way, it is still a problem, and they are still there. So how are you thinking ki how much time will you take for
I think it will take 1 or 2 months that such low-lying areas may be free from the such kind of vector-borne disease may not be there, and also I think if anyone is losing house from in such kind of situation, so I think rehabilitation will take time, and we have given the assurance to them that most of there were areas that were completely submerged till the first floor and in such colonies, and there were houses, there were people who approached us that they have lost their important documents also due to the water stagnation, due to water logging. So we have assured them that in coming days that the councillors and the MLAs will be given instructions that such camps should be organized for them, so that they have lost their Aadhaar card, they have lost their voter ID cards, so such camps would be organized.
Conjunctivitis is seeing a manifold increase right now, ma'am. And that has really been a concern because doctors have been advising that 400% tak hi increase ho gaya it's been. So how are you planning to deal with it right now on medical basis, on public health?
See, we have prepared the on the Delhi government hospital as well as the MCD hospitals as far as the vector-borne diseases are concerned. Clear-cut instructions has been given that although I think as far as the dengue is concerned, the percentage of hospitalization is very less. It is only in the case when the platelets gets very low. And as far as the eye flu is concerned, such kind of situation is concerned, it is only the public awareness which can help. So I think public should be aware that they are not touching the such areas. Whenever they're going out, they are cleaning their hands and they're not using their hands to rub their eyes. So some kind of precautions it is to be taken for the general public. They need to take such kind of precautions.
This month you announced very happily about the salary that was credited in MCD workers account. New claim ki it came before the 1st of this month. So there was another promise or maybe another talk that AAP had done ki sanitation workers ka regularization. So is it in process, or how soon can we have that news? Because it has been a very, very big concern for the sanitation workers because they are the primary workers who clean Delhi.
See, as far as the salary is concerned, it's after 2010 that every employee of MCD from group A to the group D, it means from officer level till the lower level employees, they have got the salary on 1st of the month this year. This one, sorry. And Bharatiya Janata Party was always unsuccessful in doing such kind of act, in working in favor of employees. So I think the employees are very happy. So many unions and so many employees approached us, thanking us and the Honorable CM. And I'm assuring them that in future also, we'll trying our best to fulfill all their demands, and as far as the regularization is concerned. And let me tell you that MCD has always been going through the financial crunches, and slowly we are working on the regularization also. And let me tell you that last month few of the employees were being regularized and the offer letters were given to them, and we are seeking their medical certificates as well as a police verification, and in the coming days we are going to provide the appointment letter to them also. And from every zone, it's not only that we are thinking only about the Delhi people, we are thinking of the employees also. And definitely Aam Aadmi Party has always assured them that in the 10 guarantees also we have assured them that we will be working for the employees, they will be getting their timely salary on time, and also we are going to work on the regularization.
Are you getting help from center as far as finances of the MCD is concerned? Is MCD right now self-sufficient in
No, I told you that no, definitely no, the MCD is not self-sufficient, and it's in Delhi government, in coordination with Delhi government, and Delhi government is helping financially, and we have got a lot of funds for the education, and definitely in the coming days, Delhi government will be helping us for other sectors and departments also.
Delhi का जो ओखला वाला landfill है, so we have had ministers saying कि the CM also कि we will try to clear the site by December 2023. So do you see it happening, or will it take more time for the okhla?
But I think you can see its visibility also. The height of the landfill has really reduced because 24/7 the biomining is going on. But as far as the monsoon season is concerned, the work gets slower because of the rainfall. It's very difficult to operate machinery at that time. The biomining is not easy at that time. So we are trying our best, and let's see we'll achieve our
just one
targets
last
in the
thing.
coming days.
When will this tussle over the standing committee and other committees end? When can we see the committee? Because here and now, it is hampering the work. There are certain things which cannot bypass the standing committee. They have to go through standing
Yes,
committee.
yes. A standing committee is a very important part of MCD. I do agree with you. And really, I also want that as soon as we should get the standing committee, because the Delhi people are suffering. The MCD work is hampering, and we are only waiting for the verdict, which is pending in the Supreme Court as far as the nominated councillors are concerned. So as we'll get the verdict from the Supreme Court, definitely we'll work on the formation of the establishment of the standing committee.
Supposedly, if I again request you, we meet after 6 months or 7 months or maybe a year. So will there be certain changes that we'll be able to discuss?
Yeah, definitely. We have a lot of policies which are already framed. There are a lot of policy we are already working upon. And in the coming 6-7 months, you will definitely see a very big change in the Delhi, and that change would be visible to Delhi people also.
Thank you very much, ma'am. Thank you so much. So
Thank you.
here we had Ms. Shelly Oberoi with us, sharing with us the plans which is under process and the other things that MCD might be doing for the betterment of Delhi people. Thank you.